Hello friends, I've come here to receive my bat which I have given for repair to this Anna. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Oh wow, this looks fantastic. It had cracks over here and here, and now it looks like he has fixed very well, and he did a fantastic job. He has repaired the handle as well. Okay. This is actually a 3 years old bat. It is an SG bat. This is a very small shop, and it is located near Aquatic Complex Gindi in Chennai. So I'm dropping the location in the description and comment of this video. So kindly support.